This is iPhone 11 Pro Max. No service problem, and the Wi-Fi is not working. The Wi-Fi address is not available. As you can see, the Bluetooth is showing, but the Wi-Fi address is not available. So let's see what we can do. Now you need to apply chemical hydrogen peroxide on this flex just to soften the gum, the adhesive. Then you use your either universal preheater or this to separate the board. Now if you are separating the board, you need to be very careful so that you don't overheat it. When you overheat the board, it may damage the signal board. The signal board is a board down, the down board. The down panel is called the signal board, while the upper one, that the CPU that contains the CPU, is called the logic board. Now you just need to remove this black spot things on it. It may affect your connection. Make sure you remove them. Now looking at this board, you discover that the connection that connect the signal board and the logic board together, some parts are damaged. So that is the main reason why the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi is not working, and also the no service is showing no service. So the connection between the logic board and the signal board, some parts are damaged. Now watch how we're going to do it. Watch how it's been done. And what can cause this kind of damage is when the phone fall down heavily. When the phone fall down heavily, it may cause this part to got broken, or can also be caused by wear and tear, maybe malhandling. It can also be caused by the engineer, if the engineer did not allow the solder board to melt before you separate the board. Those things can cause the part to get damaged. But mainly, basically, it can also be caused. It can be caused by heavy fall, when the panel fall, or when the motherboard fall, when the phone fall down. It can exert force on the pad and make it to spoil or to be destroyed or damaged. To watch closely how it will be done. Now looking at it, there's a little bit sign where we can easily resolder back. Now if you are using this type, this is a drilling machine. If you are using drilling machine, you need to be extra careful so that you not go and bridge the pad with the GND. So if you cannot use the drilling machine, you can easily use your sharp blade if you're doing a gradual process. Now watch closely. It's been done. are not damaged, then the problem may be from the network IC, I mean to say the Wi-Fi IC or so. But provided that the parts are missing, are damaged, there's high chance that the problem might be from there. And looking at it, it's even from there. When you look at your schematic diagram,